Welcome to School Innovation Marathon 2024. I am Megha Khare with my teammates Suhana Garewal and Sonam Sahu from St. David's High School, Bharni Bilaspur at the Tinkering Lab. Our theme is Smart City Silent Communities Focus Area Disaster Management. Our title is Terra Shade. Team name is Tech Titans. Welcome to the next slide. Our problem statement for our project is landslides are natural disasters that occur when large masses of rock, soil and debris move down a slope due to gravity, often triggered by heavy rainfall, earthquakes or human activities like construction and deforestation. This event can cause significant damage to infrastructure, homes and agricultural land, leading to loss of life, displacement and economic disruption in mountainous and hilly regions. Landslide poses a risks especially during monsoon season or after seismic activities. Early warning system, effective land use planning and disaster preparations are essential to mitigate the impacts of landslides and reduce vulnerability in affected communities. Now I would like Suhana for further explanation.
Thank you, Megha. Now, proposed solution for monitoring and mitigating landslides risk due to Arduino Uno sensors, IoT, and machine learning. Real-time data collection. Use the Arduino Uno to interface with the moisture sensor, pressure sensor, and triple-axis accelerometer to collect environmental data continuously. Moisture level monitoring. The moisture sensor detects soil saturation levels, providing early warning of potential landslides due to increased water content. Slope stability assessment. The pressure sensor measures the weight of soil and debris, while the accelerometer detects ground vibrations, helping to assess slope stability and identify movement. Data transmission via IoT. Utilize IoT technology to transmit collected data to a cloud platform for real-time monitoring and analysis, enabling remote access to information. Machine learning algorithms implement machine learning models to analyze historical data and sensor inputs, predicting landslides events based on patterns and environmental changes. Alert system activation. When critical thresholds are reached, the system triggers alerts through SMS or email notifications to residents and local authorities about potential landslide risks. Vibration motor feedback. Use a vibration motor as a physical alert mechanism in the affected areas, providing immediate feedback to residents about imminent danger when a landslide is detected. Feedback received. Data accuracy concerns. User expressed concerns about the accuracy and reliability of sensor data in varying environmental conditions. Using interface usability. Some stakeholders found the user interface for the monitoring system challenging to navigate, which could hinder timely decision making. Alert response time. Feedback indicated that the alert system should prioritize speed to ensure rapid response to detected risks. Integration with local emergency services. Suggestions were made to integrate the monitoring system with the local emergency services for coordinated response efforts. Battery life of sensors. Users pointed out the need for long-lasting power solutions for remote sensors to ensure continuous monitoring. Now I would like to call Sonam.
Thank you, Suhana. Now the concise summary of the feedback received and the changes to be made to the landslide monitoring solution. Improved sensor calibration. Enhanced calibration protocols were implemented for moisture and pressure sensors to ensure greater accuracy in diverse environmental conditions. User interface overhaul. The user interface of the monitoring application was redesigned for improved usability, making navigation easier for users. Faster alert system. The alert system algorithms were optimized to ensure quicker detection and notification of potential landslide risk. Emergency services collaboration. Partnerships were established with local emergency services to ensure coordinated responses to alerts generated by the monitoring system. Sustainable power solutions. Solar panels were integrated as a power source for remote sensors, extending battery life and ensuring continuous monitoring. Please watch our prototype video. Thank you.